Alright, I am actually out of breath. So this should be the final product ready to go in the car. The back side is not beautiful, but it is a challenge hiding 900 fiber optic strands in a tiny little space above the headliner. So I basically took a shit ton of electrical tape and wrapped all 13 feet on either side of these. This is the end of the fiber optic tube right here where the LED will shine. So again, the back side does not look good, but nobody's gonna see it. So I had to steer clear of all these mounting tabs that are from the factory, cutouts for the sun visor, and here. And essentially I took this piece of thick clear vinyl and tacked it down around the whole edge so that there's no chance for any of these to get caught on anything while I'm installing it and tear out. Again, taped all the way up here so that this should run straight down the C-pillar. So the only real bare wires are a few around the edges, which I may tape up. I'll give a demo in a second. Alright, and with the lights on, I said with the lights on, yeah, actually it's a good view with partial lights. So again, keep in mind the sun visors are going to be here. I'm probably going to wrap them in carbon fiber, so no point in putting stars there. Hopefully I don't regret it. And there is the completion.
Yay!
You want to turn off the light behind me real quick?
Yep.
I'll do a full dark one.
I'm gonna get Mama.